there, this is Jeanette D. Moses, and I have spent the last few weeks reviewing the ZV-1. This is a Sony camera that is aimed at vloggers and content creators, but even though it is marketed towards those people, it's actually really great as a stills camera as well. The tech specs on this camera are super similar to the RX100. The ZV-1 has the same 1-inch sensor as that camera and the same lens. The big difference here, instead of a pop-up viewfinder, Sony has gone ahead and put a 3-capsule mic with a windscreen on this camera. That 3-capsule microphone is one of my favorite things about this camera. During my time with it, recorded a friend playing some guitar, and even though we were in his backyard and there was cars going by, there was some neighborhood construction, with that windscreen on the mic, it really cut down on the distracting noise. Some other really awesome things about this camera, it's excellent in auto modes. During most of my time shooting with it, I just had it set to auto ISO. The autofocus and tracking on this camera are excellent. It also has a really nice fast lens, which is helpful if you're shooting in low light situations. Another really helpful feature is something called Defocus mode. So this, you can see right now, everything behind me sort of in focus. With the touch of literally one button, everything in the background becomes defocused. This works in video and in stills, super useful for getting pictures that look a lot like portrait mode that you can shoot in your smartphone. Although overall this camera is really awesome, there are a few things that we wish it had included. The camera lacks a headphone jack, which if you're recording audio isn't ideal. The other thing that we wish was a little bit different is if the touchscreen just had more functionality. Right now the only thing you can do is change your focus point, and if you are talking to camera, creating a vlog, it would be nice to have control over a few more settings. Overall, I had a lot of fun shooting with the ZV-1. It's compact, it's easy to throw in a bag, bring with you wherever. So even though it lacks a headphone jack and the touchscreen leaves something to be desired, this is a real fun camera. Really enjoyed shooting with it.